everyone. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you are just tuning in, hi, my name is Brenda, and today we're going to be planning my weekly spread of September 28th till the 4th. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys stick around through the whole thing. And okay, let's get started. Okay, so I know that I am showing you these washi tape that I do not use throughout the spread. I don't know why I didn't use them, why I even pulled them out. I mean, I wanted to use them, but I don't know. I just forgot about it. I think I got too excited with the stickers. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Wrong sticker book, and as you can see, they are very pretty. The only complaint that I have is for the gold one. When you remove them, it starts fading away. So I did not like that at all. And as you can see right now, I am placing this very pretty sticker. Even with that little, just sticking the sticker into the paper, that alone was making it fade. And that to me was just, I don't know, I didn't like that. But you're going to see very soon that I realized that I wanted to use the big weekend stickers, and it was pink, so I had to move over the pink sticker to the left side, even though I had put it on the right side. See, there it goes. I'm telling you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'll let you guys watch me do that. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really liked the way that it turned out. It was very girly. I do have an event on Saturday, and that's what inspired me to have a girly spread. If you are coming back, thank you so much. If you are new, I hope that you guys subscribe. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.